Hi, if you are here, you have probably already noticed that when you connect an Android phone to your Mac, nothing happens. And you cannot access phone data, for example, photos or videos. The reason for this behavior is simply the lack of macOS support for Android just out of the box. To be able to access the data of an Android phone from the level of macOS, you need to install special software directly from an original Android website. Let me show you. The name of the software is Android File Transfer. I would like to emphasize that to be sure that the software is safe, it's very important to download it directly from the original Android website. So let's download the software, then run it, and just move it to the application folder. Let's run Android File Transfer. After reconnecting the phone using the USB cable and selecting the file transfer option on it, in macOS a Finder will pop up with the contents of your phone's memory. The only thing left to do is find the data you are interested in and just copy it to your MacBook. It was simple, wasn't it? If you don't want to miss further Mac hints that I will prepare for you, you can just subscribe to my channel. So, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.